नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो फ्रॉम द इंडियन फ्रीलांसर यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज़ डैन। आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे वर्डप्रेस को लेके और मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे आप वर्डप्रेस का यूज़र प्रोफाइल और एडमिन प्रोफाइल चेंज कर सकते हो राइट फ्रॉम योर वर्डप्रेस डैशबोर्ड। नाउ व्हाट इज़ द यूज़र प्रोफाइल और एडमिन प्रोफाइल? Now when you log into WordPress, when you make a post, suppose you have written a blog post, under the blog post you'll see who has written it. It will show by admin or by the name of the admin. Now that you can change. Okay, you can change what you want to show. You want to show your name, you want to show the word admin or your email ID or whatever you want to show, that you can change. Apart from that, you can also change the colors of the interface that you see on WordPress when you log in. So I'll show you how you can change all those things in this short video today. Please watch this video till the end to make full utilization of the information that I'm going to share. अगर आप मेरे चैनल में पहली बार आए हो और अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए, प्लीज गो एंड सब्सक्राइब because I create this kind of videos very regularly. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's start the video. Welcome back. So right now we are inside the WordPress. We have just logged into WordPress and this is our dashboard. So when you log into WordPress, you'll also see something like this. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको डैशबोर्ड मिलेगा, एक्टिविटीज मिलेंगे. If you want, you can remove these things. So you can click on these screen options on the top. I normally don't like these things to be there on my dashboard, so I can remove all this. ठीक है, so it looks neat and clean. Okay, now to change or update the user profile or the admin profile, you need to go on the top right corner. Okay, here if you hover your mouse, आपको ये options मिलेंगे. On that you need to click on edit my profile. You'll get to your profile page like this. Okay, so right now they're asking me to update the WordPress version, which I'm not doing right now because there are some problems with the WordPress. Maybe we'll do it later. Alright, so on profile you can see the first thing that they have here are the personal options. Under personal options you have visual editor. Disable the visual editor when writing. Now when you are writing your post, okay, article on your WordPress, you can choose to disable the visual editor from here. Then next is syntax highlighting. Now someone who's directly writing the codes on WordPress, they might be using the code editor. For them, you can disable the syntax highlighting. Syntax highlighting is enabled on WordPress by default. If you want, you can disable it from here. Okay, this is only for those who are writing codes. If you are not writing codes on WordPress, you can ignore this option. Okay, the next thing is the admin color scheme. Now this is something which I use very often. I do not like the default whatever colors you can see here, right? So you can choose any one. You can choose this light one. This is the one that I used in my previous series on WordPress that showed you how to redesign an existing WordPress blog. Okay, so that was the color scheme for that. You can choose something else also like blue, coffee. For this video, let's choose midnight. Okay, alright, so that is the color scheme. Then comes the keyboard shortcuts. Enable keyboard shortcuts for comment moderation. So if you are looking to moderate comments, there are a lot of comments, you need to moderate them. You need to look into the comment whether you want to publish it or not. Then you can enable the keyboard shortcuts. I'm not going to change it. This is the by default is unchecked, so I'm keeping it as it is. Next is the toolbar. Show toolbar when viewing site. So if you uncheck this, the toolbar from the top will go away. Okay, so we'll just keep it checked, right? Then comes the name area. Now here it says that usernames cannot be changed. In a previous video, if you have checked my older videos on this channel, I have shown how to change the username in your WordPress. Now the default username is admin, and it is very easy for a hacker to find out your username or guess your username and hack into your site. So it is recommended that you change the username from your database. If you have not checked that video, please check in the description or check the playlist on my channel and you can find it very easily. Okay, alright, so we're not going to change the username from here. We cannot do it. What we can do is we can write the first name, last name, nickname and these things can be changed. Let's have a first name and last name. I'm writing it like this so that you can see the changes that you can make. Okay. Now nickname can be anything, like the name of this blog is food, so probably you can have food as the nickname. Okay. Then it says display name publicly as. Now under the blog item, let's go to the blog and see. Now this is a single page blog. Okay. Now when you scroll up, you can see under this this area it says who is the author of this particular blog post. Here you can see the name. Now I want this name to be something different. I can choose from here what the name should show up. I can choose any of this. I can choose first name, last name together, last name, first name, or I can choose the nickname as well. So from here I'll choose the nickname. Okay. Then you have an email. It is very much important. It's a required field, so you need to have an email attached to it. Okay, if you want to change the password or some kind of information from WordPress, will go to this particular email that you assign here. Okay. All right. The next one is your website address. Then about yourself. Here you can write a short bio kind of thing about the author, and in some WordPress themes you can see a short bio that appears below the author name as well. So there, whatever you write here, this will show up. Okay. So that is the bio. Then profile picture. Now there is a drawback, I think, from WordPress's point of view, that they do not want the profile picture to be updated here or uploaded from here. You cannot do it. You can only change the profile picture from your Gravatar. Now if you have a Gravatar account, if you have signed up with them, you can choose from there, and that profile picture will show up here. Okay. So I'm not going to change it. I do not have a Gravatar account as of now. I just keep it by default, whatever it is. Okay. It's like a blank placeholder. That's what I have normally. All right. The last option here is account management, which is you can set a new password, you can generate a new password, and you can also log out from all other devices. Now it's possible that you have logged into your WordPress from different computers or different mobile phones. From here you can click on this button and you can log out from every other instances. Okay. For now you can see that here I have not logged into any other computer, so this option will not work. I mean it's just like a dummy for me as of now. So I've updated whatever I wanted to. Okay. And here now I'll go down and I'll click on update profile. You can see here the name has changed. Okay. Now if I go to my blog post, here also if I refresh, you can see the name will change here. You can see this name is showing up publicly. Okay. I hope you now know how you can change or update the public profile on your WordPress. So that is how you can change or modify your user profile or admin profile from WordPress. I hope the information that I've shared in this video will help you in your work. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो एक लाइक ज़रूर दीजिएगा और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ और परिवार के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। अगर आप मेरे चैनल में पहली बार आए हो और अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए, प्लीज़ गो एंड सब्सक्राइब बिकॉज आई क्रिएट दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस वेरी रेगुलरली। Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.